Pakistani craftsmanship is limitless. They can build anything you can imagine. Despite the basic workshop and used equipment, they use top-quality materials to handcraft this high-quality steel wire mesh. To save costs, they chose not to use expensive automated cutters or pricey stainless steel, instead processing this moderately sized steel wire. First, the craftsman places the wire on a rotating rack, then threads it through a guide between two gears. Gears crimp the wire into noodle shapes. Next, the craftsman draws the steel wire out from the other end, and this device automatically cuts it to the preset dimensions. The gap between the machine's gears is adjustable for different needs, producing steel wires of various specifications. Once the wire is processed, the craftsman carefully pulls it aside by hand. After pressing out a certain amount of steel wire, the craftsman begins making the mesh. This is where this machine comes into play. At one end of the machine, a set of rollers neatly lines up the wires. The middle section may look complex, but it's actually well organized. A gap is left between each strand of wire to facilitate later sorting and guiding by the craftsman. Next, let's see exactly how they operate. Although there are many wires, the craftsmen clearly have them in hand. They feed the wires into the rollers and meticulously sort them from the other end. This job isn't particularly difficult, but it tests meticulousness and patience. At this point, some viewers may find the scene familiar. The principle is very similar to early looms, but replaces cotton threads with steel wires. Laying the wire grid is the hardest part, but once it's done, the rest of the work is much simpler. With preparations complete, the craftsman starts the machine and begins weaving the wire mesh. Without automation, craftsmen thread each wire by hand, one by one. It's inefficient, but the true value is in the authentic materials. For a mesh of this size, it's hard to finish without at least several hours. So, how's the quality of this steel wire mesh from a small Pakistani workshop?